In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 Clio Manage features most lawyers don't use. If you already rely on Clio Manage for contacts, matters, billing, and calendars, you're off to a great start. But there are a few powerful tools tucked just beneath the surface that can sharpen your workflows and save you time every single day. We'll explore 5 features many firms overlook, and I'll share practical context so you can put them to work right away. Let's start with custom fields. Think of these as tailored data points you add to contacts and matters to capture details your practice actually runs on. Beyond the basics, you can store client ID numbers, referral sources, practice-specific information, and internal tracking fields. Standardizing these fields improves consistency across your team, and because they live inside your records, they're easy to filter and reference later. A quick tip: use clear names and keep formats consistent so your data stays clean and reportable. Next up is court rules. This feature automatically calculates deadlines based on the court's schedule and your jurisdiction, then places those dates directly on your calendar. The biggest benefit is confidence. Fewer missed deadlines, automated calendar entries, and better overall deadline management. Do a quick spot check when you first enable a rule set, and make sure the right jurisdiction is selected so everything lines up with your local requirements. Third, client portals. This is a secure space where clients can message you and access documents without digging through inboxes. It keeps communication organized, reduces email clutter, and creates a smoother client experience. Clients appreciate real-time visibility, and your team benefits from a single source of truth. Set expectations on what belongs in the portal and keep notifications tuned so no one misses important updates. Fourth, custom reports. Many firms use only the basics, but Clio's advanced reporting can surface insights that drive better decisions. You can create financial and billing reports that reveal trends, productivity reports to understand how time is allocated, and trust account reports to keep compliance tight. Filters and date ranges are your friend here. Fine-tune them to spotlight exactly what you need, then share or export for team reviews. Finally, contact and calendar sync. Connecting Clio with your external calendars and contact systems means automatic updates and centralized scheduling. Your team sees the same information, events stay in sync, and you avoid double entry. Keep an eye on sync settings to prevent duplicates and confirm the direction of sync matches your workflow. These 5 tools, custom fields, court rules, client portals, custom reports, and contact and calendar sync, can help you get even more value from Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.